What's up guys, Valor Reviews here, and in this video I'm going to share with you what I think about the Oraimo Freepods 3 2x tuned edition. But first, let me show you what's inside the box. Now, opening the box, the first item you'll see is the matte black charging case. MKBHD will definitely approve this. Opening the charging case, you're going to find the earbuds. They look good, but let's keep that aside for now. Back to the box, it comes with ear tips in different sizes, which you should definitely test out because we all have different ear canals. A USB Type-C cable for charging and an operation manual are also included. Now let's go back to the charging case. Like I said, I like the matte black color. It isn't heavy at 35 grams and it can withstand some knocks. At the front of the charging case, it has 3 LED lights to indicate the battery level, and at the bottom it has a USB Type-C port for charging the 500 mAh battery that it's packing. Now for the charging time of the case, it takes around 2 hours to charge it to 100%, and when fully charged, it can charge the earbuds up to 3 times. That translates to 28 hours of music playback time. Now moving over to the earbuds, they have a battery capacity of 45 mAh, which will give you a music playback time of around 8 hours. So once the earbuds and charging case are fully charged, you get around 36 hours music playback time. Now let's talk about the features of the Oraimo Freepods 3 2x tuned edition earbuds. Well, for starters, it uses Bluetooth 5.2 technology, which is the latest Bluetooth technology out there. On the sides, right where you have the 2x tuned edition written over there, is the multi-function touch sensor that allows you to pause, play, skip, go to the previous track and answer or end calls. You can even use it to activate the assistant on your smartphone. Now, one thing it cannot do is increase or reduce the volume. You have to use your smartphone to do that. It also has different smart modes: bass mode and awareness mode. This is bass mode. This is awareness mode. Now, bass mode blocks out the sound around you and stop air leakage to boost the bass, while awareness mode allows you to hear what's going on around you and still allows you to enjoy the music or call you're listening to. Yo Valo, what about the sound quality? Well, I'm glad you asked. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to let you know that the Oraimo Freepods 3 2x tuned edition sound really good for the price. Look, I have the Freepods 2 Pro and I thought it sounded good, but this Freepods 3 is something else, especially if you like bass. Also, I noticed the ear tips for the Freepods 3 fit my ears better, and that helps in isolating the noise around me and makes me enjoy the music I'm listening to. Now, what makes the bass kick is the 13mm massive drivers inside them, and my goodness, I wasn't expecting this affordable earbuds to have the kind of bass it has. If audio quality is your concern, be rest assured these earbuds will deliver. The lows are nice, mids are great, and for the highs, it isn't the loudest earbuds, but trust me, you do not want it to be louder than this. So listening to music is great. What about making calls? Well, Oraimo says you get face-to-face live conversation if you use these earbuds to make calls, and that's because it has 4 microphones. Is that marketing? Well, let's find out. I'm calling the biggest tech TikToker in Nigeria.
Hello.
Hello boss, how fun are you?
I'm good.
I saw you went to the beach. You're enjoying yourself, oh?
Yeah, I went to the beach yesterday.
You're just balling, honestly.
Yeah.
I'm actually doing a video. I'm reviewing the Oraimo Freepods 3 2x tuned edition, and want to ask your opinion. How's the audio like?
The audio is very good. The audio is very
Oh,
good.
nice. Say hello to YouTube. YouTube miss you.
No, you're not going. Wait, are you putting this in your video?
This is going on the video, yes.
Wow. Could have used my YouTube boy.
No, you sound great. You sound good. Alright, later now. No, well, I'll call you back later. Yeah. So you had Eric, they sound good, and that's because it has 4 microphone beamforming technology that sends high quality voice signals. Now for latency, it isn't the best earbuds for gaming. I played PUBG with it and I experienced a 1-second lag. Watching YouTube on the other hand was okay, but I still noticed like 0.2 seconds latency. Now for those that like listening to music while working out, the Oraimo Freepods 3 2x tuned edition is perfect because it sits and stays in your ear, especially if you use the right ear tips. These earbuds are IPX5 life water and sweat resistant earbuds, so you can sweat all over them and play the rain if you fancy to do that. Nothing's going to happen to them. So guys, for the price, I was lucky. I got this pair on the launch day for 13,300 naira, which is a very good deal considering the current price is 16,500 naira. It has good battery life, better than the previous version. The audio quality is good, especially if you like bass, and making calls on it won't make you sound muffled. So my people, this is my review of the all-new Oraimo Freepods 3 2-Baba-tuned edition. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching once again, and I will see you guys soon. Valor, signing out.